Gonna get it. Ooh, baby. Well, that was fun. Just slid it off the loading dock right into the truck, and bam, there it is. And we got to drive an hour north, but it is like 6:30 at night right now, Friday night, and I am not gonna be leaving until probably about 2 or 3 a.m., which means this is staying in the truck until then. And I got to figure out how to get it up to the second floor of the garage, because right now it's covered in about 3 feet of snow. So that's going to be fun. But until then, here's what 500 pounds and $5,000 looks like. And you guys are going to see it pretty freaking soon. I cannot wait to show you. I'm so excited. Expect more with FalTac. So it's official. The machine is in the shop, and we went to Home Depot and I just got some, 5/8 thick, 4 foot by 8 foot birch wood. So we're going to be building a brand new bench. I was going to take down a bench and put this in its place, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just add to it so I could keep that bench and add on to a new one, because with this new machine, I'm going to need room for a computer and tooling and stuff like that, because I'm also getting another tool chest. So I'm unloading the truck, which is right here, and I have a feeling I'm being watched. You see that? We have a new addition to the family. Let's go meet her. Hi, Nell. This is Nellie, our little goat. Oh yeah, good girl. So now I have a cute little audience while I'm getting all this lumber in. So, got a few goals to set. It's supposed to start raining in a few hours, and then that rain is supposed to turn to snow, so I need to empty my truck. And let's get this going. Alright guys, we got a lot of stuff to do, and not a lot of time to do it. this is the Shark HD 520. It's a little dirty right now. Bam, there it is. Next wave CNC machine. So everybody that said CNC is right. I have a 3D printer right here, so I'm gonna get everything all situated. But there she is. It has a cutting table of 50 inches by 24. So I'm gonna have to cut a piece of melanite so I can protect this. Probably do either that or another piece of this right here. But there that is. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it. But that is the new addition. Man, I'm excited, but holy crap. This, like I said, this alone is 350 pounds. So I gotta go get the other box, which has the head on it, and I already have the router, which was sold separately. But yep, CNC router in the house. So until I get a 3D scanner, I am going to be doing mag carriers, and I'm gonna release my own molds, and those are gonna be in the works. So bear with me. This is not going to be overnight. I'm going to go ahead and buy a dedicated computer for this, and that way I don't have to worry about anything. But now that this is here, I'm just going to go ahead and set it up and get going. Part here. Yeah. All right, as you can see, I mean, it is now 6 months later. I got this mid-January, and I'm not saying I'm extremely proficient on the software, but I am getting pretty good at it. Well, at least for my sake. But I hooked up this is a 50-inch LED TV, and I bought a dedicated computer, which is under here. Got a dedicated computer for that so I could run everything. And of course, you saw me build this massive bench that I actually messed up on, and then because I cut it too wide, but then got it up. So I got a shelf underneath, dog beds under that, and it's nuts right now. So I did run another batch of light widgets, so it is extremely dirty. I did just do a quick cleanup, but and then you got the vacuum running down there behind the TV, and there's a vacuum underneath the bench as well. So I did order a 3D scanner. It was an $800 scanner, and it was the biggest piece of crap I have ever seen. So I returned it, got the money back, and now I'm saving pennies to get the Einscan, which is $2,200, and that will absolutely suck. But it's what I need to continue on, so I could go ahead and produce my own molds like that. I also have to buy software to do a couple other things. I'm going to go with Fusion 360 because that's what I use now for my 3D stuff. And so total, all in all, I got this on sale, but you know, I went ahead, I bought some of these guys, the clamps. I got the chuck to do some stuff, you know, making fixtures, the computer wiring. I bought a toolbox for everything like that. Barney. And then, you know, I am in this $7 grand. So $7,000 could be, that's a lot of pale horse molds. But now I'm going to go ahead, and once I get a scanner, I can go ahead and do that and scan my own, which means, in theory, and this is what's going to happen, I could walk into any gun store or a gun show. Like if somebody's like, I need a holster for this. And I'm like, yeah, no. I could scan it, 3D print a 1-to-1, and then go ahead and make my own mold, split mold for it. So that's the plan. I'm going to be coming out with a couple of my own molds for doing sidecars. I already have them in the works. I'm testing them and whatnot. And I have ideas that I use here that make my life easier that I don't offer to other people. And I'm going to go ahead and offer those. So you guys will be able to have pretty much everything I have in here. And obviously there's other stuff coming, but a lot of stuff takes a long time to digitize with all the measuring and the thickness, and it's a pain in the butt, but it is, everything is in the works. We're moving on. And I implemented a few things in the shop so I can catch up on orders. I took away shells for the time being, so people have been ordering, you know, 5 shells, 10 shells. That's all fine and dandy. But once I started getting like 60, 70, 80, 100 shells, then it would take time away, which is why I am almost done February's orders. So I did everything. I started about a week ago, actually, with February's orders, and I had 96 orders, and I am down to 27 left, 26 left, 28 left in that area. And today I'm going to continue doing those. So I figured I'd finally finish off this, which is technically 6 months in the making for this CNC video because of everything going on and trying to catch up, and late nights, you know, 2, 3 in the morning, as you saw earlier, 2:30 in the morning, making light widgets and learning how to use the program. So more stuff coming. I'm probably going to have another video out later with some builds. I just got brand new pale horse molds in, and I'm going to be doing a couple jobs on those to get them out. And so again, I appreciate all you guys. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you follow me on this journey, not only doing Kydex stuff, but woodworking and all of that fun stuff. So I will catch you on the next one.